Shalom, Mozart Geek here. Well, I'm out here in the hot sun today, trying to finish getting the hydroponics working, and got it all set up, checked, water flowing. The pump is working again. That's all been cleared out and so forth. Checked the water, and it's about 95 out today supposedly, and the water was 80, 82 when I checked it for temperature. So this is just a test to get started. And so we're growing some rosemary, basil. Wife wanted some sage. And let's see what I got. Red bell pepper. We got a tomato plant here. Got a ghost pepper. And for the life of me, I can't figure out what kind of plant that is that she wanted in there. Doesn't look quite right. I don't know if that's the wind moving it or whatever, but I got a feeling it's going to make noise tonight in the rain. So just kind of a joke there. But anyway, we've got it going. You could probably hear the water running. So this is my test. I can turn this tube on by turning on that valve when I want to start expanding it. And I got to buy another pump before I can get the second side going. But we're going to see if everything's working so far here, whether these things continue to live or if they die. At least before I get started spending too much more money on plants. And the wife's garden is coming up pretty good. Everything except her squash seems to be doing okay. She's already harvested a bunch of lettuce. Tomato there looks good. Corn's coming up. She's got corn over there and over here. And I'm not sure what else is here. She's the one that wants the garden and takes care of it. So I know we got a bunch of weeds growing in here, and she likes medicinal weeds, so I have no idea what she's growing or if she's actually growing any. But anyway, that's where we're at with the garden this year. I got to get out tomorrow maybe and mow the yard. See if I can do that. Just as an update on that, one of the brothers been coming over and helping mow the lawn up until recently. I told him I'm going to try to do that this time. It's been a long 3 months, and I go back to work this week, so I'm happy with that. Been out walking almost every day, and my doctors tell me I'm doing good, so it's possible to recover from a quintuple bypass without too much pain and stress. My stress now is just figuring out how I'm going to get my password squared away to go back to work. So, but that is what it is. So anyway, Ozark Geek out. Shalom. Y'all have a great holiday.